Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today our topic is about present perfect continuous tense. So it is the last sub branch of present tense. Before this I have already made videos on present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and today we are going to discuss about present perfect continuous tense. So in this video we are going to cover 4 different topics: present perfect continuous tense definition, key points, usage of present perfect continuous tense, used of since and for in present perfect continuous tense. Have been and has been are used as a helping verb. Every tense has its own helping verb. Present indefinite tense helping verb is what? Do and does. Present continuous tense helping verb is or am. Present perfect tense helping verb is have and has. Present perfect continuous tense helping verb is have been and has been. Have been is used with the following subjects like they, we, you, I and plural names. Has been is used with he, she, it and singular names. Since and for are used in present perfect continuous tense. When we use the present perfect continuous tense in speaking, we often contract the subject and the first auxiliary verb. We also sometimes do this in informal writing. So let's understand this by the help of examples. So here is contracted forms. I have been. Contracted form is I have been, you have been, and the same he has been, she has been, it has been, John has been, the car has been. He has been, she has been, it has been, John has been, the car has been. We have been, they have been, they have been. But the main thing here that is contracted forms are not used in formal writing. It is used in informal writing, and it is especially used with friends. So never use contracted forms in formal writing. Present perfect continuous tense definition. The present perfect continuous tense is also known as the present perfect progressive tense. So its second name is present perfect progressive tense. Shows that something started in the past and is continuing in the present. Means one action started in the past and it is still continuing in the present time. First usage. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that started in the past and stopped recently. There is actually a result now, means there is usually a result now. Like I am tired now because I have been running. Why is the grass wet? Has it been raining? You don't understand because you haven't been listening. Second usage. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that started in the past and is continuing now. This is often used with for or since. Like I have been reading for 2 hours means I am still reading now. We have been studying since 9 o'clock means we are still studying now. How long have you been learning English language? You are still learning now. We have not been smoking. It means we are not smoking now. Third usage. We often use present perfect continuous tense like we use for and since with perfect tenses. Like we use for to talk about a period of time. Now here is the usage of for and since. For is used for a period of time like 3 hours, 2 months, 1 decades, and we use since for to talk about a point in past time like 9 o'clock, 1st January, Monday. Like here are few examples. For is used like for a period of time and a point in past time. 30 minutes, 4 hours, 3 months, 2 years, 3 centuries, age, ever. The same 10 a.m. Friday, March 2010, 1700, left school. Yeah, I left school. The beginning of time. I have been. Now here are following examples of present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been studying for 3 hours. I have been watching TV since 7 p.m. Tara has not been feeling well for 2 weeks. Tara has not been visiting us since March. He has been playing football for a long time. He has been living in Bangkok since he left school. For can be used with all tenses. Since is usually used with perfect tenses only. So this is an important note. Simple formula of present perfect continuous tense. Subject has and have been plus first form of the verb with ing plus object. So for example, he has been playing football for 2 hours. Now he is what? Subject. Has is helping verb. Because here is he, so we have to use has. Been is again, it's the part of helping verb. Playing is first form of the verb with ing is used in this tense. And football is that object for 2 hours. The children has been studying since morning. Again the child has been studying since morning. The child is what? Subject. Has is helping verb. Has been is helping verb. Studying is first form of the verb with ing. Since morning is again since then object. She has been kneading the floor. They have been working in this office since last year. Subject, now it's again say negative formula. Has and have plus note. Remember, after negative means in negative formula, first has and have, then note, then been. Don't use directly after have and has been. First note, then been. First form of the verb with ing plus object plus since plus object. Like Julia has not been making a sponge cake. Now here Julia is what? Subject. Has is helping verb. Again note, then been. So if I say like this, Julia has been not making a sponge cake, it will be totally wrong. So Julia has not been making a sponge cake. He has not been reading his favorite book. She has not been painting for 3 hours. They have not been studying since morning. Interrogative formula. Interrogative formula identification is always with the help of question mark at the end. Like have and has plus subject plus been plus first form the verb with ing plus since and for plus object plus question mark. Remember, again it's important to remember this, that have and has is used at the start, then subject, then been, because been is the part of helping verb. But here been is used after subject, like has he been studying since morning. Has is what? Helping verb. He is what? Subject. Been is again the part of helping verb, because this tense helping verb is have been and has been. Since morning. Has she been planting for 2 hours? Have they been traveling for 2 days? Has he been smoking since 2011? Now it's exercise for you and you must done it. The children watch the TV all the day. John smoked for 5 years. The mechanic fixed my bike in the morning. I planned my holidays for 1 week. He obeyed the orders of his boss. She completed the work. We enjoy the party since morning. Rain for 2 hours. Now you have to see that where we have to use helping verb and where we have to use ing for. So I hope this exercise will help you more and more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If this video has really sparked your interest, so I suggest you to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.